Hello, my name is Yanir Sedano, and this is my MPH Capstone presentation, Youth for Food Justice, Building Food Literacy in the Rockaways. This is a program evaluation of a youth center initiative I created, implemented, and evaluated in fall of 2024. The program used experiential and project-based learning to engage participants in Far Rockaway in food justice education and advocacy. Far Rockaway is a peninsula in southeast Queens and one of the most underserved areas in New York City. The neighborhood is still recovering from Hurricane Sandy, which destroyed homes and disrupted infrastructure, including food access. To organize the public health challenges I observed, I created the ALDI framework, which covers access, literacy, disparities, and environment. For access, only 34% of residents live near a fresh food store, and public transportation is limited, making food shopping difficult. In literacy, nutrition knowledge is low. Over 20% of youth reported drinking sugary beverages daily, and many lack skills like reading nutrition labels or cooking for themselves. In disparities, chronic diseases like diabetes are more common here, especially among Black and Latino youth. In environment, the food environment is filled with fast food and corner stores, while grocery stores are not at a near distance. Healthy food options are not affordable or accessible. These four barriers shape the foundation of the program. This program ran in fall of 2024 with 80 participants ages 13 to 15 enrolled through summer youth employment. We used a hybrid model with weekly in person workshops and follow up assignments online. The goal was to help participants understand the root causes of food injustice and gain tools to take action both in their households and communities. The curriculum was structured around five core modules: food justice foundation, nutrition literacy, zero waste and sustainability, balanced meals, and communication. Here, they learn how to read nutrition labels, create balanced meals that are culturally relevant, prevent food waste, learn how to reuse ingredients and repurpose leftovers, and how to carry this message to their community. Each topic used hands on activities, group discussion, and real world application. The evaluation focused on four areas: knowledge gain, youth engagement, program satisfaction, and advocacy skills. This was a mixed methods evaluation where all 80 participants completed a pre and post survey covering all topics. They also wrote reflections at the end of each model, and I conducted facilitator interviews to understand what was working in the program and what needed scaling. Survey data was analyzed using SPSS. I used Excel to organize responses and apply theme coding to reflections and interviews. This helped me understand not just what the participants learned, but how they experienced the program. This graph shows knowledge scores before and after the program by topic area. The biggest gains were in advocacy and communication and zero waste and sustainability, both increasing over 30%. Food justice concepts and food waste reduction also improved significantly. Nutrition education showed a smaller increase, around 13%, which suggests we may need more time or different deliveries or approaches for that topic. The most meaningful feedback came from the participants themselves. They reported feeling more confident, more informed, and motivated to share what they learned. These reflections show that project based and experiential learning work because students weren't just learning facts, they were applying that knowledge within themselves and their homes. For program effectiveness and future directions, based on self reported survey data, 94% of participants indicated they were satisfied or very satisfied with the program. Participants highlighted several strengths, including the program's cultural relevance, the hands-on environment, and the many opportunities for group collaboration. However, as with any self-reported data, there's the possibility that some participants may have shared what they thought we wanted to hear, especially in a setting where they were being observed or evaluated. Taking their feedback, my recommendations were to extend the program's length to allow more time for exploring other avenues or topics, and incorporating family engagement so that participants can continue practicing what they've learned beyond the program setting. In conclusion, this evaluation showed that youth centered project based learning can significantly improve knowledge, confidence, and communication around food justice. This was just not a summer activity, but a meaningful tool for health equity. As part of this project, I've also created a toolkit with complete lesson plans, reflections, and evaluation tools for the facilitators. This toolkit will be used to fully implement the program again in summer of 2025, expanding its reach and sustainability in the Rockaways and hopefully beyond. I would like to sincerely thank the RDRC Corporation, the CUNY SPH Foundation, and the Summer Youth Employment Program for their collaboration and support in bringing this program to life. Thank you all for your time.